have here the slip-on fuzzy house slippers. Just slide your feet right in and your feet are gonna go from exhausted to pampered in seconds. I appreciate the navy color, very, very nice. The memory foam that's going to remember your foot. The little lip here so your foot does not hang over, the little fur-lined lip. Let's mention the plush fur lining that's gonna keep these toes nice and toasty. I like the button, a cute little accent. And I do appreciate the quiet rubber sole with a real grip. These slippers are going to be your go-to every single morning. They are comfy, they are warm, they are easy on and easy off. These are going to be solid enough for a mailbox run or a coffee on the deck. If Cozy had a uniform, this would be it. I do highly recommend.